Hello, everyone, and welcome to CreditLady.com Consultation. So on this particular page, you want to expedite your consultation process by completing the steps that are noted here on this particular page. Now, we ask our clients to do this step mainly because we have a lot of files that come through and we have a lot of consultations to do. So in order to move your file to the front of the line, we ask you to do steps 1, 2, and 3, possibly if you have not done step 3 yet. Now, step 3 is for you to schedule a consultation appointment. Now, if you've already done step 3, you don't have to lock in another time because you've already done that. So with step 1, all you're going to do is click here. A button will appear for you to register now, and it's going to take you to our preferred credit monitoring account so that we can see your credit profile, what your scores are, what's on your credit report that you need to have addressed. So all you're going to do is fill in your information, hit continue, and then this little chart here will guide you through each step. Now, please remember that you will be creating a username and a passcode in order to log into this account. Now, we need you to make sure that whatever you put in this system, that when you go back to the consultation page to complete step 2, that you add those details in exactly how you created them in ID Club on this particular link. Okay, so all you're going to do is complete step 1. Confirm your information, create that username and password. You're then going to verify your identity by answering about 2 or 3 questions that the system will ask just to confirm that it is you. And then you'll be getting access to your 3 bureau report. Now, for 7 days, it's $1 for this account. And then should you decide to move forward with our services, the monthly will be $24.95 a month, which is an excellent price to have access to all 3 of your credit files, as well as the protection, the identity protection that also comes with this particular program. So once you have completed this step, come right back to step 2. And what you're going to do here is you're going to register in our portal at CreditLady.com. So this is a 24/7 portal. You'll create a username and you'll create a password so that you'll be able to log in whenever you need to log in. So when you access this particular page, you're going to click that you're not yet a member and you need to sign up. And now what you're going to do is you're going to fill in this information. And I'll just put in some test information, just so we can get to the next screen so that you can see exactly what is going on. You want to put in your date of birth, last 4 of your social, put in your address, and this address needs to be exactly what your address is, so that it matches the bill that you'll be providing to us, because we'll need a copy of a bill or a copy of a bank statement, something that verifies your address when you're moving forward with us. So that is one thing that we'll need, especially if it's not on your driver's license. So again, you want to put everything in. Put in your phone number, put in the best email address, your preferred method of contact, create a password, if you have a promotional code, add that. And if you were referred by anyone, please add that information in there, because we do have an awesome affiliate program and we want to make sure that if anyone specifically referred you, that they do get credit for that. So once you have completed these steps, hit sign up. So now what you're going to do is click this drop down box, select ID Club, because remember, ID Club is what you registered with when you use our preferred method for a monitoring account. You're going to put in the username that you created. A lot of times it's a person's email, but if you had a specific username that you created, put that there. Also put in your password exactly how you created it when you were on that particular site for ID Club. And then the next step you want to do is add in the last four of your social, or if you created a specific code, like what is your favorite color, then you put that in, because a lot of times it may ask you that question and you may want to make it just a little more harder for someone to guess your passcode. So some people will do that, but for the most part, it's the last four of your social. And then you'll click Save Login Information. And now you are in your account in our portal. So it says, welcome to the Credit Lady. So what happens is I will now get an email stating that you have completed this step so that I can now pull your report into the system, create an analysis report that you'll get a copy of. And then during your consultation, we'll go over this together. We'll work on exactly what your goals are and how you're looking to move forward and which programs are best suited for you, because no two credit reports are the same. So we need to find out exactly what is best for you. So normally when you come in here, you'll see your scores listed here. You'll be able to see the history of your file, what's in dispute, the items that have been deleted, and what's remaining. So I want to thank you for taking the time to complete this particular process. And if you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to let us know. But we'll be in touch with you as soon as possible, and be sure to check your email for your analysis report that will be coming to you within 24 to 48 business hours. Thank you so much for your time. Have a wonderful and a very blessed day.